Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to switch up gears a little bit here, and I'm going to speak directly to my people here in the United States, particularly those of you that may have lost your job or been laid off because of this current crisis that's going on in our world right now today. And it's unfortunate what's going on. It just seems like it's continuing on and getting worse, particularly here in the United States. Now, if you're looking for a way to supplement your income because you were laid off or you lost your job because of this pandemic, you've come to the right video today, because I'm going to show you some ideas that you can do to help supplement and or replace your income. Okay, currently right now, as you see on your screen here, we're on a live up to the minute, up to the second, I guess I should say, update of this particular crisis that's going on in our world. And as you can see here, the world, these are world numbers right here, total cases and deaths and recovered territories right here. But what I want to point out right here is, if you see right here, I'm going to try to zoom in on it here, this one right here. The United States has just recently become the #1 country in the world with total cases. We just crossed over 1 million here just a couple of days ago, and there's a total of 61,000 deaths and 141,000 people that have recovered from it, and it goes on down from there in other countries. So if you wanted to see this particular stat page, it's you just type in your YouTube search engine Roy Lab Stats right here that you see at the top of the page, and you can find this particular thing, and it is live. As you see right here, it's live, up to date all the time on the pandemic crisis. Let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm going to show you how you can give you some ideas of how you can supplement or replace your income. So let's go ahead and get on with this. First of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with Freedom Motivator channel, and also kevin-lehner.com website. If you have been here to my videos before, or you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, just reach right down there below right now while you're thinking about it and hit that red subscribe button right there, and also click on the bell button to get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel. Okay, let's go ahead and get started in on this video. First site that I want to come to that you can supplement or possibly even replace your income, depending on how much work you do, is this one right here. Everybody knows that Amazon is a big and upcoming, not up and coming, they already are pretty much, but they seem to be expanding in all of their capabilities that they do on how to get their products and people's products to people. And you could actually come here to Amazon Flex. If you look here in the address bar right here, it's flex.amazon.com, and you can come here and you can sign up and be a delivery driver for Amazon and supplement your income. So if we look down here, you can see it says why Amazon Flex. It says great earnings. Most drivers make between $18 to $25 per hour, and it's all done from your cell phone. All this can be done on an Android or an iPhone cell phone, and you can easily track your earnings through the app. You would download the application onto your cell phone, and that's how you find and get work with Amazon Flex, being a delivery driver nationwide. And all you got to do is click on any one of these get started buttons that you see right here, and they do have frequently asked questions that you can check out as well. But if you click on get started, as you can see, if you guys are in any of these current states right here and or cities in those states, the current openings right now for people to deliver for Amazon and make money with doing deliveries for Amazon, between $18 and $25 per hour, as you saw. And the only qualifications are, you got to be 21 years old, have a reasonable vehicle, and have a valid driver's license, and then a valid insurance on your car as well. And that's all it takes. And you can be a Amazon Flex delivery driver. Another thing that you can do also to supplement and or replace your income. Now, let me tell you guys also that some of these things I'm showing are available worldwide and some are not. You'll just have to look into it a little bit on these websites yourself to find out if it's available in your country. But primarily what I'm showing here today is available anywhere in the United States and can be worked right from the comfort of your home. And you are not an employee, you are an independent contractor. So you set your own schedule and your own hours on how you want to do this particular work. One of the other things that you can do is you can come over here to Fiverr.com, and if you look up here in the address bar, it's right here at Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. And you can, if you have a certain talent, you're good at a certain different thing to do with online business or anything to do with online, you can do this. And they have all kinds of things that you can do in graphic and design, such as logo and art and illustrating, gaming, packaging and labels. I mean, it's just, it goes on and on and on, guys, that you can get involved in, and it's even in digital marketing, writing and translation. If you like to write and you're a blog writer or something like that, or you'd like to write articles or any kind of things like that, you can see right here there are all kinds of things to do with writing and translation. They have video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech. If you're like you're a programmer or any kind of IT tech such as myself, you can also get involved in any of these as well. And you can do different things for businesses, and they even have a lifestyle category, and you see a lot of new things going on here. They're constantly adding new things that you can do as well to supplement, or actually you can replace your income on Fiverr here, and you can get involved in different industries such as gaming, e-commerce, and book and publishing, podcasting, political campaigns, influencers, architecture. I mean, there is something for everybody here on Fiverr that you can get involved in. What you want to do is, when you get here, is you want to come over and click on Become a Seller right here. And then when you do that, it brings you to this page, and then you just want to click on Become a Seller right here, and then you'd want to sign up with either your Facebook account or your Google account, or you can create a local account right there on Fiverr. And then what you want to do is click on Become a Seller here, and then after that it'll take you through about 5 or 6 pages to set up your own gig in whatever category that you want to be in, to sell your particular talent or service in any one of these categories here. So as you can see, there are all kinds of things that anybody can get involved in and supplement or actually replace their current income that they lost from this particular worldwide crisis that we're experiencing. Also, you can come over here to Uber. I know most of you have probably heard about Uber before. You can come here and get involved with, maybe you don't want to be like the Uber driver in terms of taxi cabs like they have. Maybe you want to be a delivery driver for Uber Eats, as you see right here in this picture. It's no boss, it's a flexible schedule and quick pay, and you just simply sign up, and you can drive and deliver food for people. There are a lot of restaurants that are closed down in this country right now, probably is the same worldwide as well, but a lot of them also have drive-thrus that are open, and that still will help you in this particular line of work here, because people will order their food rather than wanting to get out and drive themselves. They will order it, and you can see that on the application. Again, this is done through Android or iPhone, and you can download the application and get started with Uber Eats and deliver and make money this way. Now, They don't tell you on this particular website right here at Uber.com, they don't tell you how much money that you can make. But I did a little research here, and I come over here to Google.com, as you see here, and I typed in how much can you make with Uber Eats right here in the search engine. And I came up with this right here. Uber Eats drivers can expect to make around $18 to $12 per hour after factoring in vehicle expenses. Now, it could actually, theoretically, it could actually go higher than that, $12 per hour, because with Uber Eats, you're allowed to have tips, right? People will tip you to deliver the food to their house, and that's a good thing, right? So your potential earnings could be a lot higher than this, what you see right here. And then one other thing also, if you're thinking about, because there's a lot of people that are coming online today looking for ways to supplement or replace their income, right? Well, there may be a lot of you out there that have this idea that you'd like to start your own online business, but you're just not quite sure how to get that set up and get it going and get started with it. What I have for you today is the answer for that, okay? What you want to do is you want to go over and click down there at the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and then come over and come through my funnel, and you'll come to this page right here at the back of my funnel. The company that I work with and my mentor and good friend here, Dave Sharp, is Legendary Marketer. And this is for anyone who wants to start a profitable online business, but you don't know where to begin at. Well, that's what we do here at Legendary Marketers. We help you get your business set up and started in about 15 days with what we call our 15-day online business builder challenge. And in that you can see some of the things that you'll learn. It'll give you the education and the knowledge and the tools to be able to get your idea or your business ideas set up online and to be ready to be successful within about 15 days. And if you come over here to this page also, you'll see that there's bonuses that you can get with this too. Bonus one, a customized high-ticket business plan, Facebook ads templates, high-ticket email templates, high-ticket video scripts, phone scripts, and this is the one I like the best right here, a personal one-on-one business plan consultation with a coach or an advisor from Dave Sharp's team. And all of these people are 6- and 7-figure experienced online marketers who are willing to help you set up your business and get it online for success in about 15 days. And as you can see right here, all of that and the bonuses are valued over $3,000, and you can get all of this today for $7 and get your own business set up online in 15 days with all the education that you need to know how to run it and make it be successful. So that's for those of you that are interested in starting your own online business to completely replace your income that you may have lost because of this particular crisis that we're going through today. Alrighty guys, yeah, come over and click mentorwithkev.com down there in my top of my description. That'll bring you over through my funnel and bring you to this page. After you sign up on my mailing list and come through the funnel, you'll see this page right here. Alrighty guys, well I'm going to let you go with that. That's what I wanted to show you today, was to bring some hope to people that are hurting because of this coronavirus pandemic crisis that's going on in our world today, particularly in the United States. As we saw earlier here, the United States is the worst country right now for this in the world, unfortunately. Alrighty guys, well if you like this video and got some value out of it, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And reach down there, like I said, and click that mentorwithkev.com and come over and get your online business set up online if you have a business idea that you'd like to get started with. Alrighty, and I'll let you guys go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.